Very good morning to all. Sachin Gupta here, and this is the morning podcast on commodity market for 3rd July 2020. In the yesterday trading session, we have seen a lot of volatility in gold and silver prices as both the counter has crashed from the higher levels. The main reason behind that, we have seen the very good appreciation in the INR against the USD, and rupee has appreciated more than 1% against the USD, and finally it has closed near around 75.01 levels in the spot market. So the downside momentum has been continued throughout the day in gold prices, and but after the data which comes in the evening sessions like non-farm payroll data, unemployment claim, average hourly data, there was a lot of data. After comes the data, we have seen the further recovery in the gold prices after made a low of 47,600, and finally price has managed to sustain above 48,000 levels in the yesterday trading session. Silver prices has crashed from the higher levels, and it has declined almost half percent to close near around 49,187 in the September contract. Now talk about the energy sector. So in the energy segment, we have seen the good upside momentum in the natural gas prices gain more than 1% after the positive inventory data, natural gas storage data, and prices managed to sustain near around 129.40 levels. While crude oil prices has been hovering continuously near to the psychological level, which is 3000 levels, prices has been hovering around that level from last 2 to 3 trading sessions, and in the yesterday trading session also we have seen the almost 1% upside momentum, and price has managed to sustain above 3000 levels. In the base metal segment, we have seen the further profit booking in almost all of the base metals from the higher levels. Copper prices is settled near around 464.45 levels with a minor decline, while nickel prices has slipped almost half percent to close 976.60 levels. Aluminium again slipped down in the yesterday trading session and settled near around 137.30 levels. Zinc prices has crashed almost 1% to close 162.70 levels. Moreover, lead prices has also declined by almost half percent to close 143 levels. Now come for the day on the COMEX division, gold prices is continuously showing a good strength and trading near around 1789 and 1790 levels, while silver is also managed to sustain above 18.10 levels, which was the prior resistance. Now finally prices has been hovering above that levels only, which is indicating upside momentum in silver. In the energy sector, WTI crude oil prices is also trading near around $40 per barrel, and Brent is trading near around 42.80 and $90 per barrel. So on the domestic front, if gold prices open between the range of 48,000 48,100, we would like to recommend the buy positions from that levels for the upside target of 48,400 and 48,500 with the strict stop loss of 47,900. Come to the silver. If silver prices September contract open between the range of 49,000 and 49,100, one can go for the buy positions with the stop loss of 48,700 for the upside target of 49,800 and 50,000 levels. Again, if crude oil prices open between the range of 3,000 3,010, one can go for the buy positions with the stop loss of 2,930 for the upside target of 3,100 and 3,150. However, on a higher side, upside could be capped because of some fundamental reasons, as there is a lot of demand concern because of coronavirus. So we are not expecting the much momentum in crude oil, but yes, on a higher side, 3,100, 150 would be a good resistance for the prices. Come to the natural gas. If natural gas prices open between the range of 128 and 128.50, one can go for the buy positions with the stop loss of 125 for the upside target of 131 and 132. Thank you and happy trading.